Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to explain the football match between Spain and Ukraine. If you look at the rankings, Spain is at 8th rank, Ukraine at 24th rank in FIFA rankings. Let's look at the recent stats of these two teams. Spain started their Nations League campaign with a 1-1 draw with Germany. They are unbeaten since November 2018. This is the point to remember, and both teams are unbeaten since November 2018. This is the home game for Spain, so their home record is impeccable. They have kept 9 clean sheets in last 12 home games, so we expect Spain to keep a clean sheet. If you look at the stats of Ukraine, they won over Switzerland with a scoreline of 2-1. They also didn't lose a single game since November 2019. In the meantime, they have beaten Portugal also. If you look at the last match records of these two teams, Jose Luis Gaya, left back of Spain, scored versus Germany for Spain. If we look at the stats of Ukraine in last match, Yarmolenko, West Ham United striker, scored a goal, and Alexander Zinchenko, Manchester City defender, he is playing as a midfielder in this match, and he scored a goal for Ukraine in Switzerland's last match. Let's look at the last match lineup of Ukraine. In that match, Zinchenko scored. Generally, he is a defender for Manchester City. Here he is playing as midfielder and he scored for his country. Yarmolenko, West Ham United striker, he scored for his country. These two gave the assists. So these 4 players are important, and Junior Moraes is also a very good player. We have to take only 4 players from this team. Let's look at the probable lineup of Spain. Ansu Fati, Barcelona striker, 17-year-old, might start this game. He came as a substitute in the last game. G. Moreno has very good stats for his country. He might start in this match because in the last match R. Moreno didn't perform well. He gave an assist, but he missed many chances, so he might start. G. Moreno might start this match. Thiago Alcantara, he will give you 5 points even without goal or assist. He will make around 80 passes. Rodri, Manchester City defender, he will also give you 80 passes, more than 80. F. Ruiz, he might score or assist, but we cannot consider him for small league. All 4 defenders are good from Spain. J. Gaya scored in the last game. Sergio Ramos sometimes takes penalties. Generally, he takes penalty for his country. If Moreno plays, we don't know who will take the penalty. So Sergio Ramos and El Gaya are must. Pau Torres, D. Carvajal. Because of the home record of Spain, we cannot drop any defender from Spain. So all 4 defenders are must. We have to take 3 players from these 6 players. De Gea performed excellently in the last match, but we have to take other defender only, other goalkeeper only. So out of Alcantara, Fati, Moreno and Ruiz, we have to take 3 players. The 3 will be Moreno, Fati and Alcantara, I think. So this is the probable lineup of Spain. They are playing at home. They are expected to keep clean sheet. If we look at the probable starting lineup of Ukraine, these 11 players might start. J. Moraes, he has very good record for his club, but Yarmolenko scored in the last match. Zinchenko scored in the last match. Mikhailchenko gave assist in the last match. Timchik gave an assist in the last match. Stepan Malinovsky, Atalanta player, he has decent record for his club. So these six players are players to watch out. Goalkeeper is must. From these seven players we have to take 4 players. Remaining are not good for small leagues. You can try anyone in grand league, but these 7 players are good for small league. So we suggest you to take one from these two: Malinovsky, Zinchenko, and goalkeeper for small leagues from Ukraine. So one from Yarmolenko and Mores. In grand leagues you can try Mores. In small leagues you can try Yarmolenko. Both are equally good. He is a striker of West Ham United, Yarmolenko. So this is the probable lineup for Ukraine. Let's look at the stats of Spain players. G. Moreno played for Villarreal, 35 matches, 8 goals and 5 assists. So he is must. Ansu Fati, he has 11 stats for Barcelona, 7 goals and has 1 assist. He is also good. F. Torres of Valencia, 26 matches, 4 goals and 5 assists. 26 stats this is. So his stats are also decent. F. Ruiz played for Napoli, 33 matches, 3 goals and 6 assists. Yeah, we have to take all the defenders, so we can't try Ruiz in small leagues. Rodri, he will give you passes. Alcantara, he will give you passes. Both will give you around 80 passes. Jose Gaya, if we look at the defenders, Jose Gaya scored goal in the last match. P. Torres is good. S. Ramos takes penalties and he is a goal scoring threat, header sometimes. Carvajal is also good. We have to take all the defenders. Spain is expected to keep clean sheet, so all defenders are must. We have to take 3 players: G. Moreno, Ansu Fati, and one of the midfielders from these 3. If you expect 2-0, you can take Ruiz. If you go for 1-0 or 2-1, go with Alcantara. These are the stats of Spain players. Let's look at the stats of Ukraine players. J. Moraes played for Shakhtar, 19 goals and 8 assists in 27 matches. Very good stats. A. Yarmolenko played for West Ham United, 23 matches, 5 goals and assists, but he scored in the last game. And if you look at the stats of Shakhtar and West Ham is better. Next, Konoplyanka, 20 matches, 4 goals, so cannot take him. Malinovsky, he has 12 stats for Atalanta, 8 goals and 3 assists. We have to take him. T. Stepanenko, only 1 goal in 24 matches, rolled out. O. Zinchenko, he is a defender. He has no goals and assists for Manchester City, but he scored a goal for his country in the last match as a mid, so we have to take him. Next, Mikhailchenko, 29 matches, 3 goals for his club. He gave an assist in the last match, but we have no room for him. Matvienko, 24 matches, 1 goal. Kristov, 24 matches, 3 goals. Timchik, 30 matches, 0 goals. We cannot take any defender from Ukraine because of the strength of Spain. So we can take 4 players from Ukraine. The 4 players will be one from these 2: Malinovsky, Zinchenko, and goalkeeper. This is the probable small league team from our side. We are going with J. Morris, Alcantara, full defense of Spain, Fati and G. Moreno. Percentage selection is very less for these two players, but we suggest you to go with these two only. J. Morris versus Yarmolenko, but we are going with Morris because of his stats. So this is the small league team for Ukraine versus Spain. For last minute updates, please join our Telegram channel @Brahmos_fantasy_expert. Thank you.